have 10 millimeter. Want to unscrew on the inside. Get that right. Just enough to be able to take it off by hand. Alright. And from there, just want to get a good grip and pull it straight up. Now you have the motor main screws. Look like it's probably about a. Alright, it's a 13 millimeter. Alright. Loosen all the bolts up on them. Definitely snug. Alright. So I'm still unloosening the screws. For some of them you might have to hold the little divider, that little rubber piece. Might be a little hard to see it there, but it's right underneath the motor. The spout is right over top of the screws, so you hold that. Some of them don't turn all the way. 1, 2. 3. 4 screws, and we can just put them straight up. These are the pieces you probably want to hold if it started to turn. If it's straight up, and your motor's detached, then once you get your other motor, same process. Right over top, make sure it's right, all holes are lined up. There we go.